गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज हम लोग मॉडर्न डिस्पेंसिंग एस्पेक्ट इस चैप्टर के ऊपर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे टॉपिक के साथ में। पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, मॉडर्न डिस्पेंसिंग एस्पेक्ट बेस्ड ऑन फॉलोइंग फार्माकोकिनेटिक फंक्शंस, पेशेंट नॉन कॉम्प्लायंस, पेशेंट कॉम्प्लायंस। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है डी, बोथ ए एंड सी। Next question, faithful adherence by the patient to the prescriber instruction is patient compliance, and this is the answer. Percentage compliance can be calculated as, answer is percent patient compliance is equal to NME minus NPD divided by NPD into 100. Reasons of patient non-compliance is cost of medication, frequency of medication, measurement of medication, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Regular schedule of dosage intake cannot be followed due to working load is the reason for frequency of medication. Dash can cause sedation. Answer is D, antihistaminics. Which drug relieves constipation? Answer is B, liquid paraffin. Significance of medication history is to study refilling frequency of patient, to maintain essential information of the patient, and C only A and D only A and B. Answer is D, both A and B. Dash take with plenty of water or milk and drink maximum water during daytime. Answer is sulfa drugs. 10 number, reason of medication errors are drug tolerance, wrong doses, adverse reaction, potential risk. Answer is wrong doses. Do not take with empty stomach is the advice for antacid, salicylates, MAO inhibitors, tetracycline. Answer is B, salicylates. Rifampicin causes uricosuric effect, crystalluria, red coloration of urine, yellow coloration of urine. Answer is red coloration of urine. Reason of overutilization medication. Option A, taking less than prescribed dose, taking the same medication from 2 or more different dosage forms simultaneously. C, discontinuing the drug before completing the course. Answer is take both B and C. Next question, dash do not use for prolonged time. Answer is liquid paraffin. Advice for oxybenzone, it may cause constipation, do not take an empty stomach, it may cause sedation, none of the above. Answer is do not take empty stomach. The patient counseling information can be delivered with on administration of drug, on proper and safe use of drug, medicine, on storage of medicine. D, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Reason for non-compliance is poor labeling, cost, types of therapy. Answer is all of the above. Always chew, do not swallow. Advice is given with. Answer is B, antacid. Contraindicated in children under 12 years old. Answer is boric acid. Option D. Drug product that can be purchased without prescription is OTC drug, over the counter drugs without prescription. Patient non-compliance. Option A, patient follow instruction given by physician, patient not follow the instruction given by the physician, physician not given an instruction, none of the above. Answer is B. Which one should not take with cheese, butter, or banana? Answer is MAO inhibitor. Diphenhydramine can cause sedation. Answer is B. Hematinics causes black coloration of stool. Boric acid not given below 12 years children's. Anticonvulsant drugs causes underutilization may cause death. Anticonvulsant drugs underutilization may cause unwanted pregnancy, toxicity, C death and uncontrollable seizure, both B and C. एंटी कन्वर्जन ड्रग की स्पेलिंग यहाँ गलत हो गई है. एंटी कन्वर्जन ड्रग्स अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन मे कॉज डेथ एंड अनकंट्रोलेबल सीजर. सी. आंसर इज सी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द पेशेंट वेल इन्फॉर्म अबाउट prescribed medicine is key to safe and efficacy therapy. Patient compliance. Answer is C. Both A and B. The medication history includes past and present use of medication, drug allergy, previous adverse effect associated with medication use, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. What are the objective of medication history? To know that which drug causes allergy, to study patient compliance for drugs, to know about the diet preparation of the patient, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Pharmacist should study refilling frequency of the patient, about the dietary habits of the patient, list of patient current and past medication. Answer is all of the above. Thank you for watching.